Are you hoping to make a career out of barbering? Are you already working as a barber but struggling to build a clientele? Or maybe you're a busy barber but you're working for someone else and you're fed up of making them lots of money? Then I can help. My name is Mathew Guerin. I'm 2 times British Barber of the Year. I'm the founder of the Barber Coach TV, an online platform that we have created to help you reach full potential as a barber. I'm the founder of Guerin's Barbers, a chain of barbershops in South and West Wales. I have trained hundreds of barbers to reach success in the industry, and now I've created a platform that can also help you. The Barber Coach TV is an online learning platform with a catalogue of educational videos that have been created by a team of award-winning barbers. We have categories that cover everything that you need to reach full success as a barber, covering videos from kids' haircuts to afro hairstyles, skin fades, long hairstyles, and we even have a category on there for beginners, an introduction to barbering category that follows all the steps that you would follow in college, as well as educational videos. We have an affiliate marketing partnership scheme on the Barber Coach TV that we have created so you can earn as people learn. We hold live seminars weekly, so you can speak to me and other educators in person. You can ask questions, we can interact and listen to presentations to give you that personal interaction as you develop and learn. Our aim is to teach you, to support you and help you learn everything you need to be a successful barber. So what are you waiting for? Join the Barber Coach TV today. It's time to take your career to the next level.